This is Flip Quiz. I use this to create groups and then call on students when we're looking for answers. This is a website that can do way more than that, but this is just what I use it for. So if you went ahead and looked around a bunch, you could figure out a lot of things to do with it, but this is my main purpose is to create groups and call on students. The random student chooser is a lot of fun. It's really easy to work with. All you need to do is enter names or numbers. I just enter the roster numbers that we have. And that way I don't have to type in the names, and when I have my sections of social studies come through, I can just use the numbers that I already typed in and don't have to waste time typing in names. And let's say you asked a question, and what's the answer to number 4? Click choose, and number 5 has to answer the question. Or do it again, re-choose, number 12 has to answer the question. For some reason, my kids like to play this game where I click the random number and that's the number who has to sit out 5 minutes of recess. They think it's hilarious, so whatever floats their boat, I guess. They think it's great. The other way I use Flip Quiz is to make groups. Every once in a while, I'll let them create their own groups, or I'll create them, but this is just another fun way to mix it up. So let's say you wanted 5 groups. Enter your list. Hit create groups, and then okay, number 7 and 5 you're together, 1 and 9 you're together, group 3 is 10 and 4. Kids see it on the screen, they know who their partner is, and you get right to work. It's a fun website, the kids really enjoy it, and it makes for a time saver when it comes to creating groups and calling on students.